Hey, what's up guys? So I am going to sign up on Binance. So Binance is one of the coolest exchanges. You can trade Bitcoin and any cryptocurrency. So this is one of the coolest ones. So I'm going to go and sign up on it right now. So you're just going to go to Google and then you type on binance.com. Right, so it's going to give you this page right here. So when you get onto here, okay, let me walk you through with what you can expect onto Binance before I sign up. Okay, so Binance has an app which you can use using a phone and your laptop, even your tablet. Wherever you go, you can just trade anywhere you go. You can download it on Apple iStore, Android, Google Play, and it's on Mac and Windows and even Linux and API. So man, any device that you have, you can have this app, you can have this exchange, and it has some coolest coins that are really flying on charts right now and are really making some, BNB is on this, and this BTC, here's some, and here's the prices on it, and some cool coins right now. You can see them, Ethereum, and the cool coins, man. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how you can sign up and start trading, So what we're going to do now, we're going to go on to register. So it's easy to sign up, man, and all you're gonna have to do, you're going to put your mobile, okay guys, so that's it. I had to get the confirmation on my phone, and then that's it. I am on Binance right now, so I have been registered. It's confirmed right now. So this is what's going to happen when you're inside. So it's going to show you, I'm here, welcome to Binance, start your cryptocurrency, start your crypto journey now, deposit to start trading, buy crypto with your credit card, buy crypto from P2P marketplace. But you're gonna learn about all of this when you're inside. It's very easy to learn this, how you can earn as a new user. So okay, let's see that what's going to happen then. So this is going to show you here, welcome to Binance Academy. We are on a mission to educate masses of the transformation potentials of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. On this site, you will find over 200 articles covering everything from computer security to economics. Okay, so you can just read all of these, and then you can be able to see what they actually mean. So quick access is crypto, blockchain, trading, investing, Okay, what's cryptocurrency, so you can learn all of these. Okay. So who invented Bitcoin? That is Satoshi Nakamoto. If you didn't know, you see there's all the information you need, it's all here. Okay. Just wanna go at the end. So all the information that's here, discover topics, quiz, trust wallet, research. Okay, so that's it, guys. So this is all over this exchange, guys. So all you have to do, you come here and then we can go on to the exchange, so we can see the page. Okay, let's go on to our dashboard. Okay, so this is how it's going to look inside. Okay, so just to strengthen my security, so I'm gonna put on my email on it. Okay, guys, so that's it. We have our Binance exchange right now. We'll come back to this later. So we did register. We're going to have our two-factor authentication later, and then we're going to deposit our funds. So that's all we have, guys, for this one. So please like and share this video and subscribe on the channel. That will really help if you would do that, so that I can grow this channel, guys. So thank you for watching. Then I will see you on the next one. Ciao.